welcome back. Today we're going to be seeing what people will offer for a Mega Neon Rideable grey cat. So yeah, let's get into it. Okay guys, so let's go on to Adopt Me. Join a server, and I'm just going to have proof that I have got a Mega Neon Rideable cat. It sucks that it's not Ride Fly, but you know, hey ho. Play, let's be a pen. Okay, play, thank you. Oh, just want to show my login day streak. I'm at day number 90. Whoa, okay. So there's the Mega Neon Rideable. See, you can ride it, Mega Neon. That's my pension, ride pension 3 of the robots. Okay, if anyone ever says, I will give you blah blah amount of Robux, that is definitely a scam. Because I don't think anyone would do that for a pair. Unless you're an addict. Red Panda. That's not worth it. I do like Santa Slays. But I'll give a polar bear for that. They're gonna decline. Yep, but okay. Mega Neon Rideable. A Neon Rideable, a Rideable. So a Neon Rideable Truck Lab and a Rideable Snow Cream. Okay. Oh, that put a boost on it. I really want a Santa sleigh. So, what is sick? It's ultra rare. Oh, they can't. Everyone's got human bubbles, so why don't I get mine out? I'm gonna say ABC if you have uni. ABC if you have uni. Fastest car in Adopt Me. I don't really care. Seriously, don't care. I dev him maybe. Please trade me. Okay. Wait, what? Sorry. No, I don't want it. What is wrong with you? Okay. The Mega Neon Ride Cat accept. Okay. Any offers for Mega Neon Ride Cat? Oops, I accidentally declined that trade. That was sad. This guy traded me a few times, but you know. Oh, yes, I love Santa Sleigh. I love Magic Doors. So far, it's good. Not really. Okay, well, they took it off. Okay, I think I might accept. I'm gonna decline. Okay, that was a hard one though. That was the best one. That was the best offer yet. That was the best offer yet. No problem. I swear that guy's in like every single... Oh yeah, because he's the fan. Oh yeah, and I sent him a friend request. No wonder he's always here. Duh. Okay, a unicorn. To be honest, I don't really like this Mega Neon cat. I'd prefer to have a Mega Neon wolf, so yeah, which is what I'm making. I wish you could take like the potions off animals. So like he had the fly potion off of a fly cow or something. That would be like the best update ever. I'd have like so many run. Oh no! Oh no! I'm actually gonna cry. I nearly got a rideable unicorn. What does that say? What? Wait, I can't even see because they're jumping. Wait, you're that TikTok and YouTuber. Yeah. G. Re. I'm just gonna say. Re. Yeah. Since he's a fan, I gave him a freebie. So yeah. That could be you if you subscribe. Okay, sorry, you shoved me. Wait, I'm just gonna. Okay, there you go. Thank you. No prob. I'm gonna put XD and then I'm gonna say friend me. So, I guess I'm getting a new friend on Roblox. Pretty much, like, yeah, that's fun. So yep, okay, accept. Yay! A new fan! Yay! Okay. OMG, I'm friends with a YouTuber. Lol. Okay. Sometimes it's just nice to be. Ah, he's following me! Run! Just kidding. I'm not mean. Hi. Still typing. Lol. Do you have Bloxburg? I'm gonna say, do you have Bloxburg? Oh god, he got swooped away. We can play sometime. I'll teach you. We can play sometime. I'll teach you. XD. Thank you. No problem. Yay. So now that we've got that, I feel really bad that I didn't accept their trade there now, but if they send me another trade request, I might accept. So there. I'm just saying, if you do subscribe, I might give you free legendary. Who knows? Okay. So, oh hello, you're on the human. That's my human bubble. Whee! Lol. Hey. Hi. Okay, let's get on with the video. We've had our fun. Oh yes, I love golden apples. You can literally get them for free. I'm just going to show you where to. I'm going to say ABC. I am a YouTuber. Love. Lavi here. Lavi, hi. ABC. I'm filming now. Yes. Filming. So, what you doing? Hi, Cookie. Ooh, what did they name Cookie? I can't even tell what that is. Ew, a beaver. Ooh, okay. Ooh, what? Ooh, they took it to the animal. Whoever that was in the school, they're very talented. Just kidding. Treat others like you want to be treated. Okay, we got that message in school quite a lot. So yeah. Yeah. Hi. Let's see what they have to offer. A rideable reindeer, a neon snowcat. Is that it? Is that it, love? Oh, a donut unicycle. That seems pretty good. But, ooh, bubblegum machine roll. I don't think it's worth the mega neon cat though. So we're gonna, oh my god, I nearly pressed accept. Oh, okay, decline. Straight up, oh my god, they have a safari egg. Oh wait, no, it's just a giraffe. I want the giraffe. Give me the giraffe. Give me the giraffe. Give me the giraffe. Hi. Cat. Can I offer for giraffe? Giraffe. Yes, I like giraffes. Please. Trade. Oh, she declined. Oh, she's making a neon. Fair play. Trade. Move. Okay. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Oh my god. A fly ride Arctic reindeer. No thanks. It's very fresh. I'll buy some of your lemonade. There you go. I'll buy 9 more for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There you go. Oh, a neon unicorn. I'll buy 2 more for luck. Anyway, now I have plenty of drinks. I have like 12, I think. Yay! He said yay! Ow. I kind of did that on purpose, but it hurt. Okay. No thanks. I'm good. I'm looking for a unicorn. If I can get a unicorn for this mega neon, then I'll be very happy. Trade, please. Let's trade this kangaroo guy. You like a good old kangaroo, eh? I hate it when people call their giraffe sunflower. What is the point in that? It don't even look like a bloody sunflower, love. It looks like a giraffe, so just name it Jeremy the Giraffe. Yes, Jeremy the Giraffe. Or Jimbo, or Jimmy, or Jibby, or Jiggly, or Toilet Neck, or Jagged, or I'm just thinking of words with J, except for tall neck. Anyway, yeah. Let's trade this guy with a fireball koala. Oh my god, that's the fan. Jeez. Anyway, I'm gonna do one more trade, okay, and then this video will be ended. Oh, it's a fan. That was really lucky. Okay, if they add, I will accept. Magic door and please red panda. Please red panda. Cash out. Oh, okay. This is a good trade. See, normally I wouldn't accept this, but since they're a fan, yes, okay, fair enough.